MLJ with today's adventure stop on the Super 73 S1, and we're going to take it for a downhill speed test down Mount Whitney. Are you ready for today's adventure? Let's go. Got it up to 28. Gotta slow down to the curb up here. I'm on the brake and we're holding about 25 miles an hour right now. Still holding on the brake, 25 miles an hour. Hitting the curb. A little harder on the brakes. Oh dude, that was all on the brakes and I was not stopping. The adrenaline is definitely flowing right now, man. Alright, here we go. Good morning. It's the next day and I thought I'd try a second speed run on this, another go. We got up to about 35 miles an hour yesterday, but that was one-handed. So I'm actually gonna try both hands. I got my little clip here. I'm gonna try to clip it on my hat and see how fast it goes this time. So we're out here at the Mount Whitney Trailhead, usually where a lot of the hikers park their vehicles and they start to hike up the mountain, up the trail there to the top of Mount Whitney, and usually you need a permit for that. We're at the very dead end of the road that leads up here to Whitney Portal. So we're gonna give this another shot. Are you ready? Let's head on out. All right, everyone, here we go. Got that one up to 31.5. Hairpin turn here, gotta watch the speed. Thirty-three. 33.1. Woo! Exhilarating. Man, And the adrenaline. So there you have it, my friends, 33 miles an hour on a stock Super 73 S1 going downhill from the tallest mountain in California, Mount Whitney. No pedal assist, just straight throttle all the way down. Probably could get a little faster, but I'm good, no thanks. So if you like today's video, be sure to click the subscribe button and like it, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone.